오늘 날씨는 좋네요. What does this sentence mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is 좋네요. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 좋네요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 258. 좋네요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is 저, second syllable is ne, and the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 좋네요. 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 The word 좋네요 generally means good, but since this is conjugated with neyo, if you notice, it came from the word 좋다, and then this is conjugated to JOTNEYO. And the suffix neyo is specifically used to express surprise or admiration. So 좋네요 itself is used to express goodness of something that you are surprised about or that you admire about. There are cases wherein you have to express surprise or admiration, especially when it is not the usual case. So we can use 좋네요 on those situations. We'll know more about this later. For now, let's study first how to write 좋네요 in Hangul. This is composed of three syllables. The first syllable 젖 is written by drawing first a jiet character, followed by an o character and a hi character. The second syllable ne is formed by drawing first a nian character and then an e character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound iyang, followed by the yo character itself. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word 좋네요. And that's how you write 좋네요 in Hangul. To understand more about this word, let's try to look into this English sentence. It says, today, specifically among all other day, the weather is nice. The Korean translation of this sentence is 오늘 날씨는 좋네요. Again, it's 오늘 날씨는 좋네요. The first part of the sentence is 오늘, which means today. The second part of the sentence is 날씨는. 날씨 means weather, and 는 is just added to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. And then 좋네요 is our word for today, which means good. But as mentioned, since this is conjugated with a neyo as its suffix, it is actually used to express surprise or admiration. So when we combine 오늘 날씨는 좋네요, it's the same as saying, oh, today the weather is good. So it's trying to express that among all other day, today is special because the weather is good. It only means that it is not usual that the weather is good, and that the person saying it is surprised and admiring the good weather for that day. Again, 좋네요 is used to say good in a manner that you are surprised or admiring something. So when we say 오늘 날씨는 좋네요, it's the same as saying today I am surprised and I admire that the weather is good as compared to the other days. So take note of the neyo suffix. It is actually added to express surprise and admiration. So if you have noticed other words or you have encountered other words that has neyo at its ending, it might have the same meaning. It's expressing surprise and admiration. And with that, you've just learned 좋네요. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 248 to 257. But don't forget our word for today, word number 258, 좋네요, which means good in a manner, surprise, and expressing admiration. Word number 257, the first word for our review is 왜입니까? And this is a formal way of asking why. Word number 256 is Cheonmaneyo. This is an informal way of saying call me. Word Word number 255 is 왜요. This is a polite way of saying or asking why. Word number 254 is 안 가요, which means not going or to not go. Word number 253 is 안 매워요, which means not spicy. Word number 252 is 전화. This is the Korean noun for telephone. Word number 251 is 얼마나, and this is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Word number 250 is 매워요, which means spicy. Word number 249 is 내다. This is a verb which means to pay. Word number 248 is 얼마예요, and this is used to ask, how much is this? And this is the last word for our review. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.